I am like sicker than a dog. I don't know what it is. I feel like death. And Manish has to have green caps. They have to match. They have to be green. Ma. I'm just messing with you, Manish. So we're gonna kind of turn this into How It's Made, our new series, kind of showing you guys individually, like component to component, like how we make it and what we do to it from start to finish. So because Manish needs mantis green caps and I forgot to send them, yep, they're right here. Sure enough, there's Manish's caps, ones that I made the other day, the same mantis edition. I'm gonna send you these two, but we're also gonna send you the green ones. So we're gonna use this moment as a How It's Made, our caps for our kit. So step one is we obviously start with the layout here of the caps themselves. Let's go ahead and take the design file itself. Since he has a custom one, this is all the Mantis edition. And it is number one. Obviously, there's not ever been another Mantis edition. So we're gonna issue him a new serial number. These are serial numbers in our system that have been generated. And then once we do them and kit ships, then we put it into the system. So we always have that record there. But, so this is signaling that this is his. And this is today's date, but this kit was made, I believe it said, what did it say? Oh, that was the right one. Okay. Yeah, so 23. Okay. So then we'll save this. God, I can't even think straight. Save. God. Alright. Now we'll pull this file into the laser software. So we make it the correct size, which is 130 by 130. And then we'll mirror it. Get this centered in here. And just making sure that it's not over the lines or anything like that. There we go. I think it's just because so let's center these, or line these up. No, reverse, thank you. So, once we have that, settings look good. I'm actually gonna turn this because this one's gonna be painted, so we're gonna go up to 40. And this should be enough. If I remember correctly, highlight this, I'm gonna save this. And, let's place it, yes. And that's pretty much it as far as the design file to cut the cap. And this material right here is our laser material. So this is what we actually cut the caps out of. It's a 2-layer. This company makes this stuff in multiple different layers, different colors based on the parameters in the laser. But we use this primarily because our majority is black. However, since he wants a custom one, we're going to make this custom. So we're gonna pull up the plastic. I'm gonna lay this down here. All of our paint we use is automotive grade paint. Put a layer of white primer down. And we just let that cure for a little while. And this stuff dries really, really quick. And then we'll put the green down. Okay, so this is the Mantis green. This is the color of Manny's shocks. So we just gonna paint this. This is actually a Lamborghini color too. So we offset the lines when like we're painting a whole sheet. We let it sit for 10 seconds, and then we'll put another coat on it. So that is a Mantis green plate for sure. So we'll let that dry, and then we'll get it in the laser. Let's load the file. As you can see here, these ones haven't been cleaned, but these are for Mike down in Texas, who wanted the same thing. He wanted torch things too, torch caps. Normally we've never really done it where these are colored. Not because we couldn't, just because it was something that I honestly, personally didn't think anyone would really want. But when we did that one, I think it was actually in Texas, Hamula on Instagram, but when we did his, I actually thought it looked really, really nice. It does look really nice. So I think we might make this like a standard option where when you order an edition, whether it's Elkhart edition or whatnot, you get an Elkhart cap, and then the black ones are just, do you want to request black? I don't know. We'll play that by ear, I guess. Or just maybe make it an option. Here we go. Put it in the laser. And then let's see where this is going to cut. Here and here. There we go. And let's go. It's gonna take about 5 minutes to etch and to cut out. So when that's done, I'll show you the finished product. So in the video I just posted, our how-to series on how we make our shock adapters, there's a part in there where we taper. We put a taper on the end of the shock adapters. So I have designed and redesigned that. And we're gonna pull this off because it just finished in a 3D printer. And we're gonna check out the new redesign of it before it actually goes to mass production. Let's check it out. What do you think? So that already has the taper on it, and actually the whole thing. Let's tap it. Why not, right? Get this nice little pretty white addition. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. I like that. The holes are the same location. So that will be fine. Nothing else has changed other than chamfer or whatever that's called, the curvature around the end. Not necessarily a video that I was planning on doing, but you're witness to the new and improved shock adapters for our next mass bulk order of our shock adapters. And the beep on the laser signals that it's done. These guys out. Okay, so let me go take them over here and get them cleaned up a little bit before I debut them. Well, what do you think? Mantis edition, obviously, as it says, and Torch edition. So when the kit's installed, this is just one piece of it. These go on just like so, and then there's a green shock that goes there. I think that looks awesome. And what it does is, I'm sure you guys have seen some photos of the V1 on a C8, and it covers all the hardware. And that is how we make our caps, our custom caps for the V1 series kit for the C8. Just like that. Until next time, till the next episode, put in the comments what you'd like to see next. What part would you like us to do, like a how it's made part? Put in the comments. Peace.